Is Gmail refusing to send your emails? Whether your messages are stuck in the outbox, failing to send, or showing an error, this issue can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Gmail not sending emails in 2026. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Gmail won't be able to send messages if your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is weak or disconnected. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is working. If you're using Gmail in a web browser, refresh the page. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, completely close the app and open it again. This can often resolve temporary syncing issues. Next, open the Outbox folder. If your message is waiting there, try opening it and pressing send again. Sometimes a temporary connection problem prevents messages from being delivered. If your email includes large attachments, Gmail may have trouble sending it. Also check your Google account storage. If your storage is full, Gmail may not be able to send or receive emails until space is available. If you're using Gmail in a browser, try opening it in an incognito window or temporarily disabling browser extensions. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps or extensions can sometimes interfere with sending emails. If you use Gmail with another email service, review your account settings, forwarding options, and SMTP configuration if applicable. Incorrect settings can prevent messages from sending successfully. And that's how to fix Gmail not sending emails in 2026. Most sending problems can be solved by checking your internet connection, reviewing storage, updating the app, or correcting your account settings. If the issue continues, check Google's service status or contact Google support for additional help. Thanks for watching.